If your fridge is not cooling enough, then scrape the old ice, check for the filters, scrape all the ice off, click open the filter, and then put it back. Check if it's still cooling or not. In case it's not cooling, then the other reason could be that the gas has leaked from the refrigerator. This has to be filled by experts only from the company who come. The person doing actually servicing my refrigerator has more than 12 years of experience with Whirlpool. He's worked with Reliance, LG, and in his opinion, Whirlpool refrigerators are the best. Now, the reason there is leakage of gas is because the copper filter uh, gets corroded, so the gas leaks. Here you can see he is fixing the copper filter. This is the copper filter. So when the copper corrodes, the gas leaks. That is the main reason why your refrigerator gas leaks and the refrigerator stops cooling. This is called a pipe cutter, and please do not attempt this on your own at home, because this is a very high risk activity. It has a lot of flammable gases and flame involved. And now you can see we have whole lot of instruments here. So basically you can see the old copper filter and the new copper filter that he is going to put. So this is a wet cloth, that is the compressor which is covered, because when heat is put, we don't want the other body parts of the refrigerator to be destroyed or burnt. So he is measuring the dimensions of the pipe and trying to fix it, and then he is going to weld it together. And there you will see there is a flame that is there, and this is fit to precision. And that powder that you see is actually iron powder, but in the common parlance it is called flex powder. So basically the chemical composition of that powder is iron. So it is like a ferrous copper alloy that is there, compound. And when he is soldering it, welding it, so that there is no further leakage of the gas, and the same filter is now put back in the body. And then the next step would be to take out all the leftover gases from the compartment. As you can see, the modern refrigerators have packed the cooling pipes. Earlier, back in the 90s or 80s, we used to have refrigerators that you could see the grid of the cooling pipes outside. Now it's all packed because for basically for the look. And these days, as you see, the compressor compartment is there. It has a cover, but in the modern refrigerators, the cover is not coming anymore, because they want the compressor and exhaust to be self cooling, and to allow more heat exchange with the environment, release of the heat energy. So the can that you saw over there was isobutane. RA600 is the gas which is called in common parlance, but according to the service guy, it is a mixture of three gases, although the bottle composition only says isobutane. I also want to mention here that see here you can see the pressure is going almost in the negative. He is releasing all the old gases, so that the old gases do not react with the new gas that is put there. So that's the cooling pipe that you see. It's so full of dirt. This is the cover I was talking about, which is removed these days. And he is checking whether there is any leakage in the joint that he has made now, and then he will reinsert the fresh um, isobutane through the can. And he's making sure that even the last bit of the gases have come out. So why I'm saying this is supposed to be done by the experts is because the person over here has more than 12 years of experience. He is most sought after in the refrigeration industry, and he has also been personally awarded by the MD of Whirlpool. And He also has a diploma of 3 years in refrigeration and AC. His name is Dinesh, and he is a very helpful and very patient person. As you can see, he has done a thorough job, and now he is with LG. So there we are refilling the gas now, and this is a very high intensity. It requires a lot of attention, lot of expertise, lot of care and caution. And make sure your fan is off, because you don't want the inflammable gases to leak in the environment. And now we are putting the new gas inside, and when the pressure is checked, it's again checked whether there is leakage or not. And you can see the exhaust, so that exhaust releases the heat from the refrigeration. I suggested we vacuum clean the dirt